This is a 6x6 Rubik's Cube. The overall structure of this cube is very firm and stable, and I will say goodbye to all your troubles with the regular Rubik's Cube. Really nice qualified material. It's nice that it's thick and anti-fall, so it's easy to fold. The anti-stick design groove can effectively prevent cube from sticking during turns and move freshly and smoothly. Really nice gift for a family member for holidays. Our 10-year-old likes to play with this a lot, and it's nice for family time as well. Haven't had any issues with this Rubik's Cube so far. Had it for about a year now. And yes, I highly recommend this. Hope this review video helps, and I hope you have a nice day.